How to easily replace your water diverter or water mixer on your shower. First step, turn off the main water to make sure that you don't get an unexpected shower. Next, go back up and check to make sure that the water is off. Open a nearby faucet and then go to the shower and open up the handle on the shower to make sure that it's off. Once you've confirmed that everything is off and you're not going to get the shower you didn't want, you can go ahead and remove the little rubber nub that's hiding the Allen screw. It's either underneath or above. And then with typically a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, you can remove the screw that's holding the handle on. And with a few turns, the handle should come off easily, and you can place that to the side. Next is the little decorative ring that is threaded on to a brass nut that will come off after this. So gently remove this. It should come off. You might need a wet rag or something to get it to turn if it's a little bit stuck, but it shouldn't be too hard. Then with a pair of channel locks or adjustable wrench or some kind of spanner, you can latch on to the brass nut and carefully turn it. You don't want to scrape your nice metal faces there. Once you get that loose, just turn it. And if you hold the diverter in place, that might stop another unexpected shower because there could be a little bit of water pressure behind it. A little bit of water may still come out. And then just remove the diverter, wiggle it around a little bit, and out she comes. And you have a look at it. You can see this one, the cold side, is all rusted and corroded, and that's why it's being replaced. Once you have that out, you can take the new one that you've pre-ordered so that you wouldn't be stuck in a bind here and compare the two. See, the new one's nice and clean. See, the old one is not so clean. If you don't know which one to order for yours, you see how easy it is to remove it. Take it out, have a look at it. You should find a part number on it and the brand name and go on Amazon. That's what I did, and just order yourself a new one. And now we're just putting it back together in reverse order. Placed it in the same way it came out, put the brass nut on, and then you're going to tighten down that brass nut just like you loosened it, nice and gentle. Make sure not to scratch any surfaces around it. Just be patient, take your time. It doesn't have to be overly tight. That looks about good. Once that's in place, just make sure that the nub is turning freely inside there, and then put the decorative ring back on. Tighten it down by hand. No tools required. And then it's time to put the handle back on. You just want to make sure that you put it back on the same orientation that you took it off, so that when you turn it left or right, you get hot or cold, and when you flip it up, it goes on, and when you push it back down, it goes off. You might want to test to see if you have any leaks before you put the handle on, but if you're confident, like I apparently am, you can tighten this handle back on. If there is a problem, it's one screw, you can take it back off. So tighten this back down. And it's good. Shut it off. Go back down to your water supply. Open those back up, and then go back up and make sure that there's no leaks. Everything is good. Turn on the system. You see you got water coming out. If you have a couple different options here, flip that around, make sure that everything's working properly. And you want to test that you have hot and cold water coming out. And that's it. The only thing left to do is put the little rubber nub back in, and you're done. Good job. Thanks for watching.